opposite word. Big, small. Hot, cold. Front, back. In, out. Clean, dirty. Close, open. Empty, full. Slow, fast. Soft, hard. Fat, thin. Day, night. Happy, sad. Standing, sitting. Rich, poor. Long, short.